Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your merchant ID and that the terminal is online. This avoids declines. Next, locate the original sale using the receipt, transaction ID, or last 4 digits of the card, because refunds must match an original payment. Once logged into the terminal, navigate to Transactions, then search or look up to pull the sale record. Make sure you select the correct date range and card type. Small mismatches cause failed matches, so take a brief moment to verify the sale details. With the original transaction on screen, choose Refund if settled or Void if still pending. This affects how the gateway processes the return. Enter the refund amount exactly, using decimals for cents, and indicate whether the card is present or not because chargeback liability can differ. Then follow prompts to obtain authorization if the system requests it. Sometimes a supervisor PIN or host approval is needed. Once you confirm, the terminal communicates with the processor to reverse funds. You finish by printing or emailing receipts for both merchant and customer, making sure the auth code and new transaction ID are recorded, because bookkeeping depends on this. Then update your POS or accounting entry to reflect the refund so totals reconcile at day end. If the refund fails, first retry the transaction, then check network and terminal connectivity. If problems persist, contact your processor to issue a manual refund or reversal. That single troubleshooting step, verify connectivity before escalation, resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.